So dear fellows, now I would like to thankful all of you. You people are going to watch and subscribe me, giving me a lot of comments. Thank you so much, all of you. Even that the all of the teachers will be also giving us a positive response because I am giving to you clear the logic and methodology. So now check that if you is there any query about this one. So please again check my previous videos. I am also elaborating each and everything point. So now today we are going to check that how we can elaborate exercise 7 from book D-1. Question number 3, write down the next two terms. We just need to nothing to doing anything, just write the next two terms. So for this one, how we can generate, I am going to here just clear for all of you with the logic. Now check that from part C, 4, 16, 56, 64 and 100. That will be the sequence. Sequence will be 4, 16, 36, 64 and 100. So how we can write the 4 and 16? Either is there any difference between 4 and 16? If we call that, that is yes, that is the difference between 4. So that will be the not clear the basic theory of this one. So for this one, we just need to write how we can elaboration. So that will be the term of, if we are going to check that, that is the basically term of 2 square. After this one, we just need to add 2 plus 2, that is the 4. So we just need to take the 4 square. After this one, we just need to check that that will be the 36. It means that 2 plus 2 plus 2, that will be the 6. Then we just need to take the square of 6. 6 square will be the 36, 4 square will be the 116, and 2 square will also be 4. After this one, you will just need to check that 64. So it means that 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that will be the 8. That is the 8 square. So our answer will be the 64. Now after this one, the examiner, the book writer gave us the sequence will be the 100. So how we can check that? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That will be the 10. So we just need to write the 10 square. We are going to be generate our next term. We just need to add 2 and taking the square whole of the when we are just add up. So check that, that is the 14, 16. Now how we can generate our this term, how we can write the next term. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we just write the 2, 6, 6, 2, 6 2 times, 2 sorry 6 times, 2 multiply by 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 2. That will be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it means that will be the 2, 12. So taking the square of 12, that will be the answer, our answer 144. After this one, we have a last our inquiry, last terms that the examiner and book writer are also asking about us. So we just need to write. Here is 6 times, here is 5 times, here is 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, and 1 time. Just taking the now 6 times and well as 7 times. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by, sorry, addition of 2. I am really sorry. Here is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 2, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That will be the 14. Here we just write plus, sign of plus, change the sign of addition. We just add sign of addition. Now check that will be the 2 plus 2 plus 2, that will be the 7 times. It means when we are add up 2 in 7 times, then we will be get the answer 14. So taking the 14 square also, that will be the 196. This is our basically answer. So we just need to write the next two terms. Next two terms are, so our next two terms will be 144 and 100 as well as 96. If you feel is there any query about this one, so please you just need to review the exercise, and also your all of questions and points will also be clear over there. Methodology and basic logic will also be clear in these parts in this video. So thank you so much for watching me, and like and subscribe as well for me. Thank you so much.